Hey folks, it is September 1st, 2021, and I just want to do a real quick recap of what's going on with the uh, Bitcoin and altcoins that I'm in. Just kind of show you where what I'm thinking and what they are doing since the last week. I showed a video about this. So this is Bitcoin. Um, I got it down in here in this area, and it's just I feel it is just consolidating and it's still above all the moving averages. It looks like it wants to pop to the upside. And one of the reasons I'm saying that too is if you go over here to Ethereum, let's see here. Yeah. So it has done very well. Had that same, not the exact pattern, but pretty close. Just in consolidation. And then yesterday it popped and to the upside, and then today is looking really strong. And then the other one was Dogecoin, which I got into just because for the heck of it. Um, and it is not doing as well. It's consolidating a little bit. It's still above the moving averages, and all the averages are up to the upside. I'm up 30% on this, and I plan on just hanging on to it. I don't have much in it. It's just it was just kind of a gimmick thing I did anyway when I bought it. I bought it at 26 cents. I think it's at 28 cents, 28.83 right now. But it was just, I just put a few dollars in. Just wanted to see what would happen. So that's where it stands right now. All in all, I'm feeling pretty good about all of it. I think I'm up 40 some percent in the Ethereum, and then Bitcoin is up 30%. So I'll make another video next week and give my opinion on that. So thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe button to get some other videos I put out. Thank you.